Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to showcase an innovative project that merges agriculture and technology. Introducing the tomato disease detection system, a breakthrough solution for farmers and gardeners. Let's dive in and see how this technology can make a real difference in agriculture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest innovations. Once you open the web app, you will get options to log in and register. Using Forgot Password option, you can easily retrieve your password. On homepage, you will get overview of project, which includes technologies and datasets used in project and other important information, such as problem statement, introduction, proposed solution, and conclusion. On dashboard page, you will get information about various performance metrics, such as precision, recall, F1 score, accuracy, loss, and confusion matrix. By clicking on Upload Image, farmer can take real-time picture of tomato. After that, system will process image and will identify disease-affected area. Disease-affected area will be highlighted in yellow color. The system will also display percentage of affected area and severity level of disease.